I was going to fire Comey.
The president had lost confidence in Comey.
He took the recommendation of his deputy attorney general.
So you had already made the decision.
Oh, I was going to fire regardless of recommendation.
So there was really room.
He made a recommendation. He's highly respected.
When you receive a report that is so clear and a recommendation by someone like the Deputy Attorney General, you have no choice but to act.
Based on the conversation that they had on Monday, he asked them to put that recommendation in writing, but they came to him on his own.
This man is the President of the United States. He acted decisively today. He took the recommendation of his Deputy Attorney General, who oversees the FBI Director.
Probe on Comey.
It was all him.
It was all him.
That's correct. I mean, I can't. No one. I should say that. Thank you for the help on that one. No one from the White House. That was a DOJ decision.
I mean, he told me.
He told you weren't under investigation with regard to the Russia investigation?
I've heard that from others. I think.
Was it in a phone call? Did you meet face to face?
I had a dinner with him. I heard it was stated at the committee, at some committee level, that I wasn't. Number one.
So that didn't come directly from him.
Then during the phone call, he said it, and then during another phone call, he said it. So he said it once at dinner, and then he said it twice during phone call.
I'm not going to comment on what Director Comey may or may not have done.
I'm not asking you to comment on the facts of the case. Right. I'm just trying to find out what's standard practice and what's not.
I'm not aware of that being a standard practice.
When I decided to just do it, I said to myself, I said, you know, this Russia thing with Trump and Russia is a made-up story. It's an excuse by the Democrats for having lost an election. Because he wasn't doing a good job, very simply. He was not doing a good job.
The president had lost, again, like I said, he'd lost confidence in Director Comey, and frankly, he'd been considering letting Director Comey go since the day he was elected.
And it took guts for Director Comey to make the move that he made, and I salute the FBI for taking this step.
You know, I have confidence in him. We'll see what happens.
The president has confidence in the director.